Do you know how to create seamless transitions between any elements in your videos? Today I'll show you how to change a hairstyle first, so you can apply the same logic to transform any element by the end of this tutorial using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the image. Once you open the software, go to AI Image Editing. To change hairstyles in your video, we first need to alter a single frame. Upload a screenshot of your video frame and click Inpaint. Now describe your edit in the prompt box. For example, I want to change this straight black hair into long blonde waves. I type in my prompt, something like, change the hair to long wavy blonde hair with soft lighting and natural shine. Keep everything else the same. Then hit Generate. Wait for Edimakor to process the image. Repeat this process to modify all the keyframes where the hair changes. Step 3. Reference to video. Next, go to Reference to Video and select 1.2.7 Reference Video. Upload the edited reference images you just created along with the original video. In the prompt, emphasize maintaining the original movement, face structure, and lighting consistency. Finally, set your desired duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Wait for your video to render. Step 4. Editing the video. Once the generation is complete, add the new clips to your timeline. Perform some basic cutting and sequencing to stitch the fragments together. And there you have it, your very own elements transforming video. But here's the real magic. You can use this exact method to change anything in your video. Hair, cars, objects, you name it. This simple editing trick opens up a whole new world of creative freedom. Step 5. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. Add Edimakor Happy Birthday to your post to earn 60 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.